with garlic and soy sauce, and also tomato and egg drop soup, vegetable stir fry, and spicy pork belly. Must have something spicy. If I insist, I will have number 6, rice, 7, chili sauce, 8, drinks. No, just 5. So normally I will cook my fish last, so probably 5 to 10 minutes before the guests arrive or dinner time with the family, I will put my fish and the sauce and all the things into the steamer and let it steam for 5-10 minutes, depending on the fish size. And by the time everyone ready to eat, just take it out, ready to serve. The most important thing with fish is not to overcook it and eat it when it's still hot. So that's it. Very easy, very simple. I will normally plan ahead for cooking this kind of 3 to 5 dishes just to make sure at the end of the day, after I finish all the cooking, I'm not super tired and stressed out, and I have plenty of time to shower, put on makeup and rest and enjoy the company of my friends and or family. Yeah, previously I will be super tired, no time to rest, and I'm not even hungry. And I mean, like, I'm happy that my guests or family enjoy my cooking, but I want to eat as well. It's very important. So to have enough time and also not to overstress yourself cooking a lot of complicated things is very important. So you have enough time to rest and enjoy the cooking and enjoy the food. For this dish, you will need fish. I'm using barramundi. You can use other type of fish, pomfret or other type of fish. I'm using barramundi, and also you will need ginger, Shitake mushroom, sour or salted vegetable, and tomatoes. If you have sour plum, you can use it. It's optional. I am not using it because I seldom use sour plum in my dishes, so I do not want to buy for 1 or 2 dishes and then after that stick it in the fridge and then at one corner and I forgot about it after 1 or 2 years. Yeah, so so I am not using sour plum, optional. If you have it, by all means put it in. It enhances the taste, but without it, it's still very yummy because you have sour vegetable and tomatoes and other ingredients as well, so it's still yummy. And for the sauce, you will need salt, pepper, light soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, which is optional, and also a bit of water. And then after that, you pour everything in, put your fish into the steamer, high heat, steam for 10 minutes. Again, check the fish, use the chopstick, wooden chopstick, poke it, stick your chopstick into the thicker part of the fish and take it out. When the chopstick is clean, means it's cooked. But of course, it doesn't hurt for you to peek into it and then take a look whether is it okay, look okay, and look convincing. For me, normally I'll just take a look. If it's like still a bit bloody or a bit weird kind of thing, I will leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes. But normally within 10 minutes, it should be cooked with high heat. Then after that, this is optional. So once the fish is cooked, take it out and then garnish with green onion and ready to serve. But for me, I love to pour hot oil on top of my fish. It's totally optional. I find it very yummy when you pour hot oil on your fish. So let's start. yummy steamed fish Teochew style.